Hello everyone, I am Utsav Akash Noshkor and today I am going to talking about two roles at Goldman Sachs. So at first you have to navigate through the career section and there you will find the student section, and within student section you will find the programs and internship option, and there you will find the engineering campus hiring program in India. So the two roles are 2021 analyst role for the full-time opportunity, and another one is 2021 summer internship role, which is for the internship hiring. So for 2021 analyst role, the engineers who will be graduating in 2021 will be eligible, and joining will be tentatively May and June of 2021. And for the role 2021 summer internship, the engineers who will be graduating in the year 2022 will be eligible, and their hiring and joining will be according to them April and July of 2021. So this is a two type program, that is one is for internship role, another one is for full time opportunity. And the base location will be Bengaluru, and the application deadline is that they started the application registration process on January 20, 2021, and it will be closed on February 8, 2021. So as of now, they haven't mentioned that they will only hire from the tier 1 colleges. They mentioned that they will hire the top engineers from this country. So you have to perform well to get into this company. So what are the program timelines? So as I have mentioned above, that the registration is already started on January 20, 2021 from 9 p.m. IST, and it will be continued up to February 8, 2021 up to 11:59 p.m. IST. And the assessment will be take place tentatively in the mid of February to mid of March, and the interview process will be between March and April. And if you successfully complete all the assessment and successfully crack your interview, then your joining will be on in between May and June in case of analyst role, and in case of summer internship role, your joining will be April or July. Now, the eligibility criteria is as above mentioned, that the graduating engineers in the 2021 will be eligible for the 2021 analyst role, and graduating engineers in 2022 will be eligible for the summer internship role. And if you register for this program, it will not guarantee that you will be selected or will be called for the assessment. At first, they will shortlist you on the basis of your resume, and then only they will send you the assessment link. So to register for this process, you have to come across this page. I will be sharing this link in my video description. So on clicking on this link, you will be redirected to this page, and when you scroll down, you will find this register button. Upon clicking on this register button, you have to sign up first if you do not have any account in Goldman Sachs career portal, or if you have a account in Goldman Sachs career portal, then you have to just log in. Upon login, you will redirect it to this page where it will be looking like this. So if you at first you have to complete your profile after sign up, or if you don't have your profile complete, then you have to just click into this option, that is complete profile. If you click into this profile, this option, that is complete profile, you will be redirected to this page. Here they just ask you for basic details like your university name, your phone number, your mobile number, and in the below you have to attach your updated resume. And just if you want to edit that, you just have to click on this edit profile option. Then you will be eligible to edit this page. Then after that, you have to save this. Now to register in this process, you have to click on this option, that is register for events. Upon clicking on this option, you will be redirected to this page, where after scrolling down you will find here that engineering campus hiring program 2020 and 2021. So you have to click on this, and upon clicking on this, you will be redirected to this page where you will find all the details that I have mentioned in my video. And after that, they also have mentioned here that the tentatively The assessment will take place on February 13, 2021, but it may be changed. So after scrolling down, you will find you have here you also have to mention your CGPA or DGPA, then your gender, then you have to attach your resume here and just click on this register button. Upon clicking on this register button, we will get a mail like you have successfully registered for this application, and after that they will shortlist your resume if it is eligible for their hiring or not, and upon this they will give you or send you a assessment link on your registered email ID, and there you have to take this assessment. On the basis of your assessment result, they will call you for your interview. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any problem, then just comment in my video. I will try to solve this problem. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. I will be updating more details about such hirings in my channel, so don't forget to subscribe it and hit the notification bell to get the notification earliest than amount.